And a good Monday to everybody. Today, of course, is the 12th of April, 2021. Thank you so much for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. My name is Jewel, and this is the Weather Channel of J7409. If you haven't subscribed and you're into the weather, please do so. Click that little J7409 weather insignia in the bottom right-hand corner. Then click the bell and make sure you check off all to get all my latest videos. Well, yesterday, Florida had a lot of weather, but right here in my state, in the county next to me, there was a tornado in North Carolina, in Belvoir, in Pitt County. Now, it was an EF1. The wind peak was 100 miles per hour. Thank goodness there were no injuries and no deaths, but it tore this house down big time. But you never know. They're all around you sometimes with this crazy weather we're having. And this was in Pitt County yesterday. And I'm so thankful there were no injuries or deaths. I want to thank all you guys down in Florida yesterday and all around throughout all this severe weather we've had this week, writing me notes, letting me know what your conditions are where you're at. I appreciate that. So far as severe weather today, well, we do have some organized severe thunderstorms that are going to happen more than likely across parts of southeastern Texas. They should go into southeastern Oklahoma, as you can see, but it's southeastern, not northeastern. Everybody up here, you do have a chance of some thunderstorms today. Hopefully not too severe. It's looking like with this, Texas is in the number 2 area for the most severe weather. But it's not looking like tornadoes are going to happen. But you are going to have some high winds, and you could have hail with some very, very large hail. Have you ever seen so much hail this year, folks, when it comes to the tornadoes? See, the whole lower 48, less than 2%. When it comes to the wind, we have that 5% chance of gusty, severe winds down in Texas. And when it comes to the hail, boy, it goes up. Texas, look out. 15% of significant hail. Whenever you see these little black dots going around, that's significant. So you guys could have right here in Texas some very large hail going on with these storms. Smaller percent chance of 5% goes up into southeastern Oklahoma and just a little bit of western Arkansas. So everyone, keep your eyes open. Be safe. Don't drive in it if you're caught out in it. Please find somewhere to park and stay safe. Everybody up in Montana, portions of Minnesota, North Dakota, a little bit of Wyoming, you're going to get a little snow coming your way, folks, and it could build over the next 3 days. Within the next 6 hours, you see, it doesn't look like a whole lot, just a little bit here and there, but once it starts, it's not going to stop. In the next 48 hours, look at all of the snow that you could get. I'm going to have more details about how much in some places could get in the general weather forecast, so please stick around for that. Let's turn on the NAM map right quick and go through what should be happening for the lower 48. This map courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Well, it's an upper level blocking jet stream pattern across North America. That's going to result in a low pressure system becoming quasi-stationary over the upper Midwest for the next couple of days. Now, the area of low pressure works in tandem with the upper level low that tracks into the northern mid-Atlantic today, and it's going to be generating scattered showers and possibly some embedded thunderstorms from the Great Lakes to the northeast coast through tonight. Now, along with the unsettled weather, this blocking pattern over Canada, it allows for the colder than normal conditions to set up shop from the northwest into the nation's heartland for the whole first half of this week. Now, in fact, enough sub-freezing air aloft is available for this wet snow that I was showing you to develop near the Canadian border and over the northern plains, and an extended period of steady snowfall rates is in the forecast, looking like 6 to 12 inches of snow accumulations by Wednesday morning for the northern half of North Dakota into northwestern Minnesota. Far west, the blocking pattern will also force cold upper low to form, a cold upper low to form. Now, it's going to dip across the Pacific Northwest to the Great Basin for the next couple of days, and this brings colder temperatures together with gradual development and expansion of mountain snow across the Northwest and also the northern Great Basin. Now, both the northern and central Rockies also, and the coldest temperatures should be about 15 to 20 degrees below normal for you guys. And that should occur in the northern high plains both today and tomorrow. In contrast, warmer and much wetter conditions, I should say, are anticipated in the south central U.S. to kick off the work week today. In the southwest, we have low relative humidity levels along with breezy conditions and dry fuels. They're going to support an elevated risk for that pesky fire weather that's just not going to go away. These fire weather conditions that are so treacherous are in parts of Arizona and New Mexico. And there's also an elevated risk for fire weather in central Nebraska today as well. Now, conditions only grow more favorable for fire weather as this upper trough in the northwest deepens. I hope we don't have any bad wildfires to break out because these conditions are going to create stronger wind fields along with persistent low humidity levels and dry fuels. And so please, if you're in the lower Great Basin area tomorrow, depending on the position of the intensity of the upper trough, fire weather could remain an ongoing issue in the southwest and the lower Great Basin into the middle of the week. And that's your forecast today. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. I love all of you. I thank you for everything you do for me. Don't forget to click show more. Check out my collaboration partner, Ann Dale, at Homestead on the Colony. She'll be back with you soon with more video. Also, folks, when we did our little collaboration video, I showed you some light switches. There's a link that you can go if you'd like to buy some or check some out. I don't make any money from them, okay? I just put it up there to make it more convenient so you could go check them out if you would like to get some. Tornado season is here. Hurricane season is knocking at the back door, coming up strong. So now's the time to prepare. Have a much blessed day, folks. Maybe no severe weather will pop out. Most chances are in Texas, but no chance of tornadoes. So take a breath of relief and enjoy your day today. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.